Today we're diving into the features of the propane 2-burner camping stove with carrying bag, a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. This portable folding gas stove boasts a unique hexagonal symmetrical design that folds away neatly into its included carry bag, making it perfect for those with limited space. With a total output of 17,000 BTU, this stove delivers powerful heat for all your culinary needs, from simmering sauces to searing steaks, and each burner is independently controlled for precision cooking. The stove's dual-burner design allows you to have a coffee percolator on one side and a kettle or fry pan on the other, providing versatility for your camp kitchen. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack, making it ideal for backpacking, camping, and even motorcycle trips. And each side of the stove features a built-in igniter, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. Built to last, this stove features a high-temperature resistant steel body and stainless steel burners that are corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability and longevity. So whether you're camping or preparing for emergencies, this stove is easy to use, easy to clean, and ready to make your outdoor cooking experience exceptional. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.